What is money laundering? Money laundering is a process of washing dirty money so that it becomes clean. In other words, cleaning illegally obtained money so that it appears to have come from a legal source. The money launderer's aim is to make the money usable. This is only possible if the authorities cannot trace it back to its real origin. The laundering process typically involves very large amounts of money. Money laundering usually involves, number one, placement, in which the money is discreetly introduced into a respectable financial system. Two, layering, which involves moving the money from one place to another, then another, and another, etc. It is sent to and from several shell companies, intermediaries, and money transmitters. 3. Integration. Integration means integrating the money into the financial system, which consists of additional transactions until it is completely laundered, that is, cleaned. So remember, there are 3 stages: placement, layering, and integration. Money obtained from illicit arms sales, extortion, theft, insider trading, drug trafficking, and illegal gambling is dirty. Some people also refer to that kind of money as hot. If you don't put it through a money laundering process, that is, clean it, financial institutions such as banks will realize it is dirty and refuse to deal with it, and also refuse to deal with you. They will probably tell the police and other financial authorities, who will then go after you. Criminals want to be able to use their illegally obtained money. The only way they can do that safely is to run it through a money laundering procedure. Procedures vary in complexity and sophistication, which are typically related to how much money is involved. Interpol defines money laundering as follows: any act or attempted act to conceal or disguise the identity of illegally obtained proceeds so that they appear to have originated from legitimate sources.